Hey guys, this is Altaf. Welcome back to Altaf classes. Hope you are all safe. In this today's session, we are going to learn how to download and install NetBeans 8.2. So let's get started. First, you have to download Java JDK. JDK means Java Development Kit. Go to oracle.com. Second one. In second one, go down and download this one, Windows x64. For this is for 64-bit operating system. Go and click here. After that, accept the license agreement term and download it. Because I have already downloaded it, so I'm not going to download it. You have to download. So next you have to go back and search NetBeans. NetBeans, go here. Welcome to NetBeans org. Then click on download button, and we are going to download older version. So older releases. Find out more. The don't go. Yeah, this one, netbeans.org. Download old 8.2. Click here. After click, there are several tabs: Java SC, Java EE, HTML5, JavaScript, PHP, C, C++, and all. We are going to choose for all. So you have to click here, download. After download for this one, and then you have to click it here. So I have already downloaded it, so I'm not going to download this one. After completion of download, you have to go to the file where you have downloaded. Go to downloads. In downloads, I have to search because I installed, I think, approx 4 months before. Yeah, this one, JDK. You have to first install JDK. Double click on that, then click yes. Then click next. You have to click next only. Yes. Yeah. Then you don't need to change. You have to click next. Yeah, it will take some time. When the finish, then click on close. Then again you have to go and search for NetBeans. So I have downloaded NetBeans. Where it is? Yeah, not able to find. Let me enlarge this one. Back for all. So I downloaded 4 months before actually. Yeah, this one, NetBeans 8.2. Double click on that, then press yes. Yeah, then it's start installing. Then you have to click next, then accept the license agreement. Click next. This one, yeah. You have to set the some default for this. For you people, it will be next, because I have already downloaded, so I have to change the path. Yeah, Java JDK bin. Okay, now it will come next. Yeah, until this one, and then install. It will take some time. So when the installation done, here you have to unmark, untick, and then finish. After all this, you have to set the path. So type environment, go, not here, go to this one, then go to this PC and right click, then properties. In properties, advanced system settings. In advanced system setting, click on environment variables, then you have to go and click on path. Okay, and then after that you have to go to C drive. In C drive you have to go to program files. In program files, go in the Java. In Java folder there are two folders, is there, JDK and JRE. Click on JDK and copy this path, select all, Control A, and this one Control C, and after this you have to go here and click on edit. After click on edit, click edit, edit text, sorry. In edit text, whatever it is present, put a semicolon and in this one paste whatever you copy there, and again you have to copy the same thing, JRE. Let me go to JRE, right? Go to bin. In this one, go back, JRE. In JRE bin, copy this path, Control A, Control C, and after that put a semicolon and paste the value, nothing change. Then after that, because I have already set the path, so I'm not going to do. You have to, first one you have to give the semicolon and put the whatever JDK you copy, JDK bin path, and after that put a semicolon and give the JRE, and then after that click on OK, and here also OK. So this one is, I have downloaded NetBeans IDE 8.2. Go here, click. So we will see an example by creating a simple Java program. Yeah. After all this, go to file. In file, new project. In new project, you have this one should be Java, and here is Java application, because we are going to run all the program in Java application. Then click on next. Then I'm going to give the name demo 1, and then finish. Okay, then you will get package, some class name and main method. Then delete this one, delete this one, and delete this one, delete. So I'm going to run a program, write a program. So I'm going to click out. After that I will click tab button, so you will get system.out.println. This is the shortcut, out, after that tab. Then here I'm writing welcome to Altaf classes. Okay, and then this one is run button. After this you have to save by pressing Ctrl S, then click the run button. Yeah, the output is welcome to Altaf classes. Okay, I think it may help you, so download it. And if you have any if you feel any problem, so my comment, write in the comment box, and all the link is in the description box. Click and download it. Okay, thank you.